Hey guys, so you might remember a while ago we teased a potential project that we might do.
Mail's here!
Steal? It's AR 500. We're making the frying pan from PUBG.
What?
The Bulletproof frying pan from PUBG Mobile. Which is why I'm super excited to tell you that PUBG Mobile reached out and offered to sponsor this project. Which means we're making the Bulletproof frying pan from PUBG Mobile. Use my link in the description below to download the official PUBG on mobile game, and if you add my gamertag, Hacksmith, you have a chance to play with me when I'm not working on projects. There's even a new mode called Arcade Mode, which features only 28 players and one of 6 variations. Shotguns only, sniper rifles only, all weapons, melee only, pistols only, and finally, item heaven. For a mobile game, the graphics are incredible, utilizing the Unreal Engine. Plus, you can use voice chat to talk with your team during play. And we're actually doing a giveaway this video, but more info on that later. Now the real question is a regular old American-made frying pan bulletproof as is? We're gonna go to the range and find out. Blasted holes right through it. Look at this is crazy. So yeah, regular cast iron frying pans, not bulletproof at all. The 9mm just shredded this after shooting it a few times. That's because cast iron's super hard, but it's also super brittle, which means it's really gonna explode. Now, for us to make an actual bulletproof frying pan, we're gonna have to use a bit of a better material. So let's head back to the shop and see what we can come up with. Well, that was easy. Now it should be bulletproof. But let's make some more. We're using our Maverick CNC plasma cutter that we got from Elite Metal Tools, and we'll be using it to cut out some more armor plates to make a few more pans. Let's get started. These turned out a bit smaller than expected. But you know what that means? We're gonna give them away. For your chance to win a mini PUBG frying pan, all you have to do is download the game using my links in the description below. Once you've downloaded the game, add my gamertag Hacksmith, so maybe we can play together. And then, take a screenshot of you playing the game. Tweet or Instagram post the screenshot at PUBG Mobile and hashtag HacksmithPUBG to enter the contest. We'll be giving away 3 of these pans. For full contest details, check out the description below. All right, who hasn't it ready? Riley, get off your phone. But in the meantime, let's see if this thing's pellet-proof. Not bad, but this is just a toy. Let's go to the range and actually test the real pan with real guns. What, you thought we were done? All right, we're back at the range, and we've got our how am I supposed to take this off? Hopefully bulletproof frying pan now with an AR-500 half-inch steel plate on the back. Let's see what guns do to this. Let's get shooting. So we're gonna be using the same 9mm to see if our bulletproof pan is in fact bulletproof. Alright, let's see if that did anything.
Nope. Oh, you can almost feel something right there. But in general, still pretty smooth.
You know what this means? We're gonna need a bigger gun. Alright, so before we get the rifles out, let's try a .357 Magnum. No, it's not through. It's just shiny. All right, how about a .223? Is that dead center? That's dead center. All right. So it's definitely possible to make a bulletproof frying pan like shown in PUBG, and all you'd have to do is make it out of AR-500 steel. Unfortunately, it'd be a bit tricky to do that, which is why we actually just took a regular frying pan and welded the AR-500 plate onto it. The problem is, you can't really weld a cast iron. In fact, if you look at this, the entire weld bead stayed with the plate and just ripped right off the pan. You can see that it just barely even penetrated into the metal. So I'm not a material scientist, but cast iron, its composition is a lot different than steel, which is what makes it difficult to weld it to steel. So originally we were actually planning on putting a few bolts in to actually bolt it to it, which I guess we probably should have done, though those could have also caused stress concentrations and maybe even caused the cast iron to shatter behind the plate. I'm not too sure. But anyway, let's see how strong this AR-500 is. We're gonna unload a few more guns on it and confirm that it is fully bulletproof. Now look at the damage to our shroud. There's literally pieces of metal shrapnel embedded in the wood. Look at that, that's a piece of a bullet right there. All right, so that was awesome, but for the last shot of the day, we're gonna get a shotgun and see if we can completely destroy the original pan. I've never shot a shotgun before, so this should be fun. Damn. Well, there you have it. It is possible to make a bulletproof frying pan using AR-500 steel. Let us know what you thought about the project in the comments below. To me, it kind of felt more like a Mythbusters style episode, and I think that's kind of cool. If you guys want to help support the channel and ensure we can keep doing cool projects and videos like this, try PUBG Mobile today by downloading it using my link in the description below. Plus, for your chance to win a mini frying pan and some other Hacksmith swag, the contest details are also in the description below. Good luck and thanks for watching. Don't forget to add my gamer tag, but I'm gonna win.